girl, you crazy.
3 hours later.
Oh my gosh. They have it in stock. I want them all. I want them all. Must have them. Oh, not that one. Oh, we'll try one of those. But this, you guys. Sakura mochi. Oh my gosh. This is just a display. Oh, how I missed you. Oh my gosh, I want the set. I want the set. This one unfortunately doesn't have the set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, really? Oh, 7. No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. Oh, 7. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is 6? 6? Oh, okay. Micaiah says all of this will fit in the car. We can't get everything on the shelf though, because that won't fit in the car. Oh. Alright, we're gonna do Sanrio. You want what did you want, Michaela?
The hair clips.
Okay, go ahead. Choose. Oh, we gotta insert money first. Insert money. Or do we have to choose what we need first? Pink or red?
Red, please.
Alright, confirm. Okay, insert money. I'm so proud of you. They have an English option, but you're doing it all in Japanese. Okay, there we go. And then carries the change and the receipt. And then there's your present. How cute!
Oh, they bagged it for you?
They put a bag in there. I hear money dropping. Is it packed? Or is it just the, oh, it's just the clips, not a box. It's in a bag. And what came with it? A mirror and clips. Cute! You got a little compact and hair clips.
Oh, sweet.
That's for you. And then Sophie, what did you want to get? You want to get Pokemon cards?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get some Pokemon cards. Alright, go ahead. That's the one you want? Alright, hit buy. Alright, and hit cash. Alright, and let's insert the cash.
Insert cash.
Please insert the cash, sir. Alright, and then we're gonna get 10 yen back. Alright, go ahead, get your change, sweetie. I'll get the receipt. And the box should be coming down. Oh, it has a countdown. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no, get your change. There you go. Yay! Alright, you want to open it up?
Sure.
That's a cute new box. Oh, hi Pikachu.
You help?
And there goes the pretty box.
I don't like using the tape.
Ooh, look at all your cards. Yay! Happy, happy.
You want to open one up, see what they look like?
Yeah, open one up. Alright, she chose one. What cards did she get? What'd you get?
Huh?
Whoa. Ooh.
Which one you get?
Whoa, how cute. Very nice.
Oh, this one.
Rowlet. Cute.
I don't know what this one
I don't know that one.
Yes. This is an energy ball.
Yay! So go ahead, just keep squeezing your guys' car, your triggers. Michaela and Sophie can squeeze their trigger and go real fast. Makai, is that you? Oh my gosh, you guys, we're at the Haneda Airport and they have some exclusive Pokemon in here. Oh my gosh, but then...
Mama, you gotta see.
Oh yeah, I saw it. I saw it. I saw it. I don't want to go over there. I'm scared. I'm scared. I know. Oh my gosh. Ah! I can buy a wand. I can buy the Sailor Moon wand here. Oh my gosh, it's the moon stick. Uh-oh, I can't show your credit card information. But look, Sanrio characters. That's a photo booth. You guys can take pictures?
I want to.
He's swiping his card. He's swiping his card. Oh my gosh, how much is it? Are you seriously buying the moon stick?
600 yen.
Oh, $6?
Yeah.
That's not bad. And the pictures are cute.
Yeah. I love Sanrio.
And hit buy. Yeah, hit buy. Hit buy. And then hit, is it a credit card, honey?
Yeah.
Okay, hit credit card Visa. Okay, it says swipe it or insert. Okay, not gonna show Makaya's credit card information. Oh my gosh.
This thing is like amazing. We can literally buy the one and put it in the display.
I know, right?
I can
Oh
make
my gosh. I bought so many. Oh my gosh, yes. All sales are final. Please take the receipt. My wand! My wand! My wand is coming. Our wand? Okay, our wand.
You mean mom's wand.
Oh my gosh! Oh, it's counting down. It's counting down. It's counting down. Oh! Huge!
Careful, be gentle with it.
Be gentle. Be gentle with the moonstick.
It's in a box.
Oh my gosh. Hurry, quick. Pull it out before the, hurry. It's an automatic door. This door opens automatically, and as you take the product out, the door closes automatically. Oh wow. There it is.
That is so pretty.
The moonstick. Oh my
kinda don't want
gosh.
I do.
No. Okay, you can take the paper off. I'll let you take the paper off. I'm one of those girls that like to keep things in boxes.
How expensive it is, I want to keep it in the box.
Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, there it is.
Yeah, but it's got a sticker on it.
Okay, yep, it's sealed. It's perfect. Yay. What was that, baby?
We got to wait till it will come out.
You gotta wait for it to come out. You guys took pictures. How complicated is this? Nah, I'm good. Printing. Did you guys like make your eyes bigger and add like little characters?
No.
No?
No. Did you like to see a photo? Yes. Okay, see you soon.